Hey, AES. I upload edits every day, but they don't go viral. I get very demotivated. Can you tell me why my edits are not going viral?
Look, no matter how many edits you upload, they go viral because of two reasons. First is the style of the video, which style it is made in. For this, you can copy the styles of many editors. Do this for 2 months, and then slowly you will start creating your own style. And maybe someone else will copy your style too, but let them, because you were once at the same place where they are. And second is the story, take any sad part, happy part, or a farming part from a movie, like other editors do. This can also make you go viral very quickly. All this will only happen if you make edits with consistency and keep learning along the way. If you want to copy any style but you are unable to do it, then you can tell me on my Discord. I will upload a tutorial on it. We will also bring part 2 of this, where we will understand how sports edits go viral